I'm going to talk about different film formats, essentially what size or how big or how little a piece of film is. In my hands right now is an uncut roll of 35 millimeter film. A lot of exposures on a roll, 36, light, easy to carry around. You know, excellent film for traveling. Just one of the most popular films out there is 35 millimeter format film. And you would use that basically just for ease. You know, nice film. This size film is medium format film. This film tends to give you a much sharper image. The cameras that take these films can sometimes be a little bit more expensive, but you can make a huge enlargement and make it absolutely tack sharp. And keeping with that in mind, this is a 4x5 negative. You could blow up this negative to the size of a wall and still keep your image absolutely tack sharp and beautiful. And this is a great example of why people still use black and white film.